Hi everyone, I'm Ongezwa Ntsepe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we discuss everything that has to do with the business, the successes, the failures, and everything in between. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the skin clearing oil. So let's get into it. So INUKA has 6 essential oils, but today we are only going to be focusing on the one, which is the skin clearing oil. The reason we are focusing on this one is because it's also part of the popular products that people purchase from INUKA. So the skin clearing oil comes in 2 bottles. You get this the small bottle, which is this one, and it's a 10 ml bottle, and you will also find a 30 ml bottle as well. So the skin clearing, it comes, as I've mentioned, in this bottle like this one, and you'll see over here it's saying skin clearing. So the essential oils are also under the Mihlolo range. The Mihlolo range is one of the largest range from INUKA, and I did a video on that last year, and I will leave a link in the description box. So the skin clearing oil, you can purchase it on its own just like any other INUKA product. You can also find it in combos. The combos that you are going to find this skin clearing oil on are 1, the skin combo, and the stretch mark combo. So the skin combo is going to be your miracle oil, which we talked about, and I will leave a link in the description box, and also the skin clearing oil, so that will give you your skin combo. And then the stretch mark combo is the skin clearing oil, the miracle oil, and our tissue oils, so that will give you the stretch mark combo. The skin clearing oil is not a spray bottle. The small one, it's drops, so it's a drop situation, and the bigger one, it's also drops, but it's the one with syringe. I'll put a picture over here so you can see it, because I don't have it. So it's more of a syringe. You just pull and then you do the drops as well, so it doesn't come in a spray bottle, but I'll leave a picture over here so you can see what I'm talking about. So what does the skin clearing do? Let's find out. So the skin clearing blend, common uses: you can use it for acne, burns, eczema, diaper rash, dehydrated skin, skin blemishes, and uneven skin tone. So that's what you can use the skin clearing oil on. So it's like that. And then it says it's safe for direct application to massage wrists, temples, feet, throat, and stomach, or add a few drops to a warm bath. So you can apply it directly to the area, or you can bath with it. So if you're taking a bath, you just add a few drops and then you bath in that water like that. And then there's also a disclaimer, so we're going to read that as well. Disclaimer: keep out of reach of children if pregnant, nursing, or under doctor's care. Consult a physician. Not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. Avoid contact with eyes, sensitive areas, and damaged skin. Only for external use. To extend shelf life, keep away from heat and light. Replace cap after usage. So that's the disclaimer. So this miracle oil, why am I keep saying miracle oil? So the skin clearing oil, as I've mentioned, it's one of the popular products from INUKA, and one of those reasons is that it is part of our combos that are most popular amongst people, which is the skin combo and the stretch mark combo as well. As I've mentioned, the skin clearing, you find it in 2 sizes. You find it in the 10 ml bottle, and you also find it in the 30 ml bottle. And also, when you are selling your skin combo, or you want to purchase your skin combo, you specify if you want the big combo or the small combo. The big combo will have the 30 ml bottle with the miracle oil, and the small combo will have this 10 ml bottle with the miracle oil. So that's the difference between those 2 skin combos. So I will leave a link in the description box about the skin combo, because I did do a video on that last year. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, do the most, and remember, never say no to a crowd.